Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Jersey Nick Moto. I picked up these turn signal inserts for my 2015 Road Glide from Ciro, and we're going to see if we can open them up and pop them in today. These are the front. They are a white running light with an amber turn signal. They basically just plug in where your bulb goes. Full color instructions. And these are the rears. Same thing. So basically all you have to do is pop off your old lenses, take your old bulbs out, plug these in where your bulbs were, and pop these on. They're LEDs, so we're going to try that now, see if it works. They seem like they're nice quality. Ciro, check them out.